Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record videos with Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, you will need just to wear your Apple Vision Pro and then we can see two methods to record or to have special videos on your Apple Vision Pro. So basically, either you can record with your iPhone, like you will need just to have an iOS 17 or later, and of course you can do it only with iPhone 15 Pro or the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Then you can just like record like a normal video, but instead like of doing on the rolling or on the toolbox where you can change from video to image to panorama or portrait, you will need just to choose spatial video. And then you can see them on the Apple Vision Pro. Otherwise, you can start like capturing and recording videos or special videos using the Apple Vision Pro uh, device. So basically, you will need just to click on the top button, and it is this one located here. This is called the digital crown, and this one is the top button. You click on it, and basically you will be need just to choose capture. You will find an icon as follow that will show to open capture, and then you will need just to choose to record a video and not a photo. Then you will need just to tap on the record and you will be able to start recording with your Apple Vision Pro. After that, you will need just to view your spatial captures. So basically to view whatever you are capturing or the videos that you have recorded, you will need just to go to the photos. So basically either you can go to the tap button, this one, and click on photos, or you can just view them on the home view. After that, you will have your uh, photo library or gallery that will be opened, and you can view all your special videos here on the library. Here you can find everything or all your photos, even the one that are shared by iCloud, or you can just see only your special pictures or videos here on this menu. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.